So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by. Hindi kailangan kantahin to. Sabi ni Miss Regine, so Fronyo, kantahin na yan. Opo, Miss Reg. Di ba natapos sinabi ko na, Regina yun. This is a classic song. And I hope that everyone will feel love. And remember ba, our utang. This is called Usahay. Usahay, nagadamo ako na ikaw ako nagkahigugmaay. Ngayon, dambuon ko ikaw, dambuon sa kanunay, sa akong kamingaw. Usay, nagamahay ako, anong namuhihan, hindi kalimutan. Kaya anong iiaw-tiawan ang buhay ko, di mo kalimutan. Ladies and gentlemen, Bruce and Nico. Nagamahal ako, ngano'y nabuhiman, ni kalibutan. Kay ngano'ng iiaw-tiawan ang bumako kanimo, kay anong iiaw-tiawan ang bumako kanimo, kanimo. That's Usahay. Sometimes Usahay is a translation of sometimes, no? Sometimes we feel that we are not loved. Sometimes we feel that we are rejected always. But a part of it is also a learning. It's a process. And I am a testament and a manifestation of process. Daghan kay gisuwayan ba? I have tried so many stuff in my life, but not until I reached 32 years old. Sabi nga sa akin ni Miss Tony Gonzaga, by the way, you watched the episode for my episode with Miss Tony Gonzaga this Sunday, another crying moment. She told me, Sofronio, kaya pala hindi binibigay sa'yo every time yan you wish and every time you try. Because sabi ni God, hindi ka pa prepared and you're not ready for the win. kapag hindi ka dumating ng 32 and I am here. So, daghan kayong salamat sa inyong tanan. Are you still enjoying? I hope yes. Daghan kayong salamat ha. But before I sing my song, my next song, I would like to thank Ado, of course, Miss Cindy, Primetime Events for making this possible. Of course, Sir Mario Olminares, thank you so much. My mother in America, Alma Famarato, EJP Productions. Yon. Mga nanay ko dyan, Aida Patana, M Talents, thank you so much. You know, of course, my mama from Manila. Niloloko nga namin siya, taray, celebrity, ma'am. Sa lahat ng mga sponsors, SM Tickets, of course, M Talents, yes, Waterfront Hotel and Casino, Cebu City. Daghan kayong salamat. Hotel Dulce, by Yakinico, Utol Ride, Premier Drip, Air Asia, Casino Filipino, and CDN Digital. So kung meron pa akong hindi nasabi, please inform me and please let me know kasi I am here to share the message of love for everyone. Now, medyo naboboring na kayo. Are you ready to sing with me? Yes! I'm not singing this song alone. I have a guest. Hindi si Michael Bublé. Huwag kayo mag-expect. Wala. No, with this song, I prepared this song specifically because I need you. Sa mga singers, di kaway-kaway, bigan, kahit ako lang magmukha, lab sa radyo ba? Ayan. Are you ready to sing with me? Hihina naman. Are you ready to sing with me? Okay. So, ang mangyayari nito, kakanta muna ako. Tapos pag tinapat ko yung mic, para tayong hepe-fore, kanta agad kayo ha. Tayo niyo yung bandera na kung saan kayo galing ha. Sa mga Bisaya, ay mo pagpakaulaw eh. Gidung, may mga antan ha. So, ako na lang tayo. Ready? Okay. Let's go. Batin ka mo tindog, no? Sa moduol ko ninyo, tindog po, din video pa. Yes, thank you, mama. Ready? Come on. Let me hear you clap. Oh, happy day. Go. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. If the sky don't look upon should stumble and fall, and the mountains should crumble to the sea, I'll cry, I'll shed a tear, just as long as you sit. Rehearse muna tayo, sabay-sabay. By me, come on. So darling, darling, oh yeah. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand. Mukhang ready kayo ah. Stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Sino kaya? Oh, stay now. Oh, dito muna tayo. Hello po. Huwag kayong mahiya. Come on, sir. Ready ka, sir? Okay. Ano pangalan niyo, sir? Jonas. Palakpakan si Sir Jonas, ladies and gentlemen. Come on.
So darling, always stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me.
Galing ah! Oh, dito naman. Siyempre, kumpletuhin natin to. Eto, madalas nangyayari to. Ayoko, pag binigay mo yung mic, whole verse sa kanya. Sino kaya? Oh, tita. Ikaw, ano? Si tita. What's your name, tita? Po. Taga-Usamis. Uy! Hello. Oh, ang bilit na magpakaulo. Kanta yung mama. May taga-Usamis. Ano ba ta? Ladies and gentlemen, Ozamis City. Ayun, no? Araw, ang dami kong friends eh. Ayun, no? Ayun. Dapat hindi ah. Hindi ka na. What's your name, bro? What's your name? Echo. Guys! Come here. Mukhang maraming fans sa Echo ah. Let's hear it from Echo. Come on, man. Ganun na, pwede pa lang lagyan ng oo. Dapat pala ganun, hindi ko alam yun ha. Diba? Every step you take, every move you make, every bond you break, every claim you say, I'll be watching you. You know? Ganda. Ay, nako. Ang hirap mataka ka talaga. Kada inom ko, lumalabas kagad. So, I think we are almost done with the songs. Uy.
More.
Sayang naman. More. Ah, sige ah.
Safrania, more. Crying. Million dreams. Crying, million dreams.
Talagang nanonood kayo ha, so ibig sabihin nakiiyak din kayo sa akin.
Yes!
Sarap! Ay, pero seriously
Crying.
Lahat ng iyak ko doon was very, very true. Kumbaga, hindi ko alam, sabi ko bakit ako kasi always akong naiiyak? Ang hirap ganyan siguro pag tumatanda.
Ikaw no.
Okay ra na mo, okay ra na.
Okay naman.
People man, kanang, samot na mga Bisaya, we are very,
Emotional.
Emotional. Because we sometimes feel we are inferior. That's why in Philippines, Bisaya always are ambitious. Tama?
Yes.
Dili man maot na ambisyon ta. So ako, hambog yung kong ambisyoso ko because di kan biyata sa pinubre. Pero the love and passion, the love for music and my passion for my artistry really pushed me to dream and try and try. So, thank you na along my journey and during my journey, you appreciate the Philippines more because I represented. Grabe ba? First Asian Filipino. Oh, sarap, sarap. So I'm ready to sing my next song. This song is...
Crying na naman.
Wag naman lahat.
Ayun na.
Sa lahat ng songs ko, grabe, napakahirap. Totoo lang, walang biro. Iniyakan ko lang talaga yung ibang songs ko na grabe naman. Parang tatanggalin talaga ako. Pero syempre, you know what? Bisaya talaga are very resilient. Filipinos are resilient. Pero grabe yung Bisaya. Parang, hambugiro ba? Hambugiro. And we are proud to be like that. Basta, hindi ka lang tumatapak ng ibang tao. And you just do the best thing that you are to better yourself. We are very much eligible to do that. And me as a dreamer, I get to sing one of the classic songs from the King of Rock. This song, when I did this song, I give you a trivia. 1956 of December 2, 1956 of December 2, he performed this song and it
Elvis
became
Presley.
the #1
Elvis
hit
Presley song.
show and highest rating for NBC.
Yes.
56 years later, I did that song December 2.
2024.
Same day.
Wow.
What are the odds?
What are the odds?
And this is called If I Can Dream.
If I can dream. Yeah.
There's a trembling question. Still I am sure that the answer's gonna come somehow. Out there in the dark, there's a beckoning yellow. While I can think, while I can talk, while I can stand, while I can walk, while I can dream. Please let this dream come true. Right now.
Hirap. Ma, hirap kumita ng pera, ma.
It's worth it!
Salamat, sir, ha. Lipoy, bebo mo. Saya ng puso ko para, idol! Kunya-kunyarian ka na, uy, pero sarap. So, nalimot ko, sorry. Are you ready for an OPM medley?
Yeah!
Okay, so walang coordination. My next song are 3 of the best songs ever written in rock history. And I am so honored to sing 3 songs, and these are all my favorites. This is OPM Rock, ladies and gentlemen. You want more?
Yeah!
Come on.
kong tumingin. Itong umaga lang, pagkagaling-galing ng iyong sumpang walang aawat sa akin. O kay bilis namang maglaho ng pag-ibig mo sinta, daig mo pa isang kisap mata. Kanina'y nariyan lang mo, ba't bigla lang nawala? Daig mo pa isang kisap mata. Sabi mo sana'y tayo na kani-kanina lang, pagkasaya-saya ng buhay ko, bigla na lamang ng iba. O kay bilis namang maglaho na pag-ibig mo sinta, daig mo pa kanina'y nariyan lang mo, ba't bigla naman nawala? Daig mo pa isang kisap mata. Umiiyak ka na lang iya talaga, wala ka bang ibang alam? Namumugto mga mata. Kailan kaya ikaw magsasawa sa problema na iyong nalabasan? Sa'yo ng boyfriend mo, hindi mo maintindihan. Now before we end this concert, I want to introduce my band. Kiko on bass, Nico on guitars, Romer on drums, Hard on vocals, and of course our musical director for tonight, Bruce. And of course your singer, Sofronio Vasquez!
Yes!
Special shout out Bailey, Maki, Jaya, my team. I love you guys. Jay's here. Itong umaga lang, pagkaping-laping. Itong umaga lang, pagkagaling-galing. Kani-kanina lang, pagkaganda-ganda Kandi-kandi na lang Pagkasaya-saya O kay bilis na mamatao na Pag-ibig mo sinta Tingin mo ba ang sa mata Dali-dali-dali at nakuhan Wala naman nawala Tingin mo ba ang sa mata Tunay na halaga Tunay na halaga Tunay na halaga Daghang kayong salamat, Cebu! I love you, everyone! You want more? Siyempre, I'll give you one. Ay, nako. Okay. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Ay. Well, before I sing my last song, siyempre hindi natin uubusin. Paano kayo manonood ng next concert ko pag inubos ko lang? I would like to thank Padok, Miss Cindy, Sir Mario Colmenares of Primetime Events for making this possible. Of course, Alma Famarato of EJP. Round of applause, guys. SM Tickets, M Talents, Miss Aida Patana, Waterfront Hotel and Casino, Cebu City, Hotel Dulce by Yakinico, Utol Ride, Premier Drip, Air Asia, Casino Filipino, CDN Digital. Ayun. So, once again, I'm inviting everyone to see me tomorrow. I don't know where. So, magkaway-kaway ra ko ba? At the float parade. And then, hopefully, I get to sing again at the grandstand tomorrow night before we close this. Senyor Santo Niño, salamat kayo. Viva Pit Senyor! Salamat. I will end this concert with a very special song that's very special to my heart. See? This song really speaks to my heart, and every time I give you trivia, first word, Michael Bublé really cried, so I was holding my tears. And I am fortunate enough to end the song with a heavy heart, but full of love. This song is from The Greatest Showman. It's called A Million Dreams. Cebu, daghan kayong salamat. Mama, I love you. A million dreams for the world I'm gonna make. Good night, everyone.